Welcome back. In our previous lesson, we were able to create a database and connect it to a Laravel project. Alright, so in this lesson, we're going to create a membership website using the Jetstream plugin. Alright, so a membership website is a kind of website that enables users to fill in a registration form, fill in their form, create a username and password, and after registration they will be able to access the website with their username or email and password. So that enables them to become members of the website, so they can have information that is not available to the public. Alright, so our first step will be here we are right here in our project environment. Here is our VS Code, and here is our project, MentorX project, and our XAMPP, our Apache server, and MySQL database is up and running. Alright, so we have to visit Laravel website, laravel.com, for us to install Jetstream plugin. Okay, so I'm right here in laravel.com. I will go over to documentation, and where it says starter kits, I'll click here where it says starter kits. Alright, so I'll click on Laravel Jetstream, and I would like to visit their official Jetstream documentation. Alright, so here we are on the official Jetstream documentation page. Yeah, so I'll click on installation, and this is what it will take for me to install Jetstream. So we may use Composer to install Jetstream into our new Laravel project. So I will copy this command, Composer command, and I will run it in my project by pasting it right here. Yes. No, I do not want to paste 3 lines of text. No, I just want to paste 1 line of text. So let me open a new terminal. Then I'm picking this command line, copy, paste here. So I press enter. Alright, so it's downloading and installing. It's downloading Jetstream, so I'll wait for it to download. Alright, the installation is complete. No security vulnerability adversaries found. Okay, so we can now go ahead and install Jetstream with Livewire. I copy this command and I run it here. PHP artisan Jetstream install. Livewire. Alright, press enter. Alright, so Jetstream is installing. It's installing Livewire. So wait for it to install completely. So when that is done, we'll finalize the installation by running npm install npm run build php artisan migrate. Alright, so wait for it to complete the installation. Alright, the installation is complete, and now we are ready to finalize the installation by running npm install Alright, we are ready to run npm run build. Alright, and we are ready to run php artisan migrate. And this migration, what it does is that it's going to move from our database folder. Here are tables. This is a user table, create user table, and some other tables. What a migration is going to do is to move them to our PHP my admin database. Here, let me open the database so I can confirm that there is nothing there yet. We only created the database in the previous lesson and connected it to our project. There is nothing there yet. Alright, so the database we created, we called it membership. Alright, and you can see that the database is empty, no tables. Alright, but when we run the migration now, it's going to create user table, it's going to create password reset table and some other tables that are already in our migration folder. Alright, so let's go ahead and run the migration. Okay, copy this command and then we run it. Alright, let's refresh our table. Yeah, we can see that we have tables in our database. Okay, so now we can check our website to see what has changed. Okay, before we do that, we need to start our server. PHP artisan serve. Yeah. Okay, our website is up and running, and we can now see that we have login and we have register here. So Jetstream has set up these pages for us. Alright, so we've been able to create a membership website using Jetstream. We've installed Jetstream. We'll finalize the installation by running npm install, npm run build, and migrating our database, PHP Artisan migrate. Alright, so because I would like to be able to edit this page, all these other page, I would like to publish the views. And how will I do that? It's by coming right here and running this command. It says if you are using the Livewire stack, you should publish the Livewire stack's blade components. Alright, so by running this command, we are going to publish the Livewire stack's blade components. Alright, so I'll run the command here. Alright, the blade components have been published. So for me to access the blade components, I will come to resources, views, vendor, this vendor / Jetstream, then components. Alright, so these are all the blade components. I can modify any of the HTML text right here. So for instance, on our dashboard here where it says welcome to your Jetstream application, I can change it to something else. Alright, here where it says Laravel Jetstream, I can modify all this text. Okay, let me start by modifying this text right here. Welcome to your Jetstream application. I would like to say welcome to Mentor X. Mentor X, yeah. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, you can see it has changed. Likewise, we can change every other information right here. Okay, so that's where we're going to stop for this lesson. In the next lesson, we are going to see how we're going to, okay, for instance, let's also check out this profile area. You can see Jetstream allows us to have a profile. We can modify our profile. Let me modify this to Uche. You can change your passwords. Alright, when you refresh it, still there. You can change your password and all that. Okay, in the next lesson we are going to see how to change this design right here. We're going to bring in a Bootstrap 5 template and change the outlook of our website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.